Hello everyone, it's David at Grow and Eat This. It's Wednesday, February 16th. It's going to be in the mid-60s today. We got some heavy rain coming in tonight and tomorrow, and it'll be into the 70s. We'll overlook that it was in the low 30s this morning. It's a little early, but boy, all you can hear is lawnmowers and weed whackers and edgers. People have got a serious case of spring fever, and I'm one of them. So I fixed this soil up. Look at this. This was a turmeric in the fall. It's had compost added to it, organic fertilizer, some worm castings, and we're going to put in some cauliflower. I'll probably have to put some temperature protection over it before it's done, but we're going to get it in now anyway, because it always is a battle with the hot weather. I like to mulch it, but I hate mulching it after I plant it. So I put the straw down first because it's hard to miss where the plants are, but it's real easy to find where the dirt is. So as you can see, beautiful, beautiful plant. Get this old achy body pulled up here. Pull it back. Plant. Keep all the mulch around it. This is Candied Charm cauliflower. Makes a small head, about 1.5 pounds, I guess. About that big is a big one. There's only 2 of us, so it's like an outstanding size. If you want to make a big meal, we just do 2 of them. No big deal. The deal is it's got to be quick. Wow, check the roots. It's got to grow quick because the weather will turn on us so fast and it'll be too hot for them. So you can put these pretty close together because the plants are going to be marginally in size. I'll get 6 in this box. Still more fantastic roots. Been growing these inside under lights waiting for the temperature to warm up. They're actually a little bigger than I would normally do. Got some roots on the outside of them. But we had a really nasty spell of really low temperatures. Move down here to the next one. Just so you know I wasn't funning you, here's the soil in the next one. This one was ginger, summer and fall. Then it lay with mulch and compost for a while to let it kind of rest up. And it's time to get it planted again. Just beautiful, beautiful plants. Plus, it's time to get some other seeds started inside. So this is opening up a lot of space under the lights. Hey, Gracie. Move down here to the third one. best part about these being all different sizes is that means when they make cauliflower, they won't all be at the same time. You know, there's only 2 of us, we can't eat that much. But this will spread them out over a couple of weeks, which is just perfect. Candy Charm. It's been a winner for me the last few years. No Crown's been a good one too. These just happen to all be Candy Charm. So there's 18 cauliflowers in 3 pots. February 16th. I'll get them watered in, and we'll see what we can plant over there in those other beds. This is David at Grow and Eat This, Zone 7, Lawrenceville, Georgia, on a really, really beautiful, beautiful day. Thank you for watching.